Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to fix mobile data or cellular data not working or slow working in iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14 series and iPhone 15 series. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to Settings, Tab General. Scroll down, tab VPN and Device Management. If you add any VPN, then you remove it. This may cause your internet to working slow. Solution 2. Open Settings, tab Mobile Data or Cellular Data or Mobile Services. Tab Mobile Data Options. Toggle on Data Roaming. Next, tab Voice and Data. Select 5G Auto. Solution 3. Go to Settings, tab General. Scroll down, tab Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tab Reset. Tab Reset Network Settings. Again, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. This will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings. If these solutions doesn't work, then check your SIM card. Take out your SIM card, set it up, and reinsert it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.